How to fix WhatsApp verification code not received on Android. If you are facing the issue of WhatsApp verification code not receiving on Android, then this video is for you. To watch the video till the end so that at the end of the video you'll learn how to do it. As you can see that there is a pop-up message that says we could not call your number. Please check your number and try again in 1 hour. So this might be the reason, or your wrong number may be the reason why you are not receiving any verification code on Android. For that, you need to recheck your number and use a valid phone number so that you can receive WhatsApp verification code here. But if this is not the issue on your device, you need to exit from this section of WhatsApp and ensure that you have stable internet connection. If your Wi-Fi is poor, then you can easily switch between mobile data or Wi-Fi and easily help to process different kinds of issues relating to WhatsApp verification code. The next step, what you need to do is you need to update your WhatsApp application. Open Play Store or App Store. Search for WhatsApp with the help of the search bar at the bottom right corner of the screen. Type in WhatsApp. Open it. If you see update button next to it, tap on the update button and update your WhatsApp application. Once done, open settings under Android phone. Scroll down. Open apps. Tap on the app management. Wait for a while. Now choose the search bar at top of the screen and type in WhatsApp again. Open the app info page of WhatsApp. Scroll down, open storage uses and clear the cache of WhatsApp. Clearing cache will remove different kinds of glitches and the verification code might be received on your Android phone. Next is you need to go to the Permissions app and make sure you have allowed all the application permissions here, especially for the SMS and phone. Once done, come back to the app info page and now tap on Manage Notification and toggle on the button for Allow Notifications so that any notifications related to WhatsApp will be received on your device. Lastly, you need to restart your device by holding on the power button. You will see the restart button. Tap on the slider and slide towards off to restart your device. Once you have done that, it will reboot your device and the WhatsApp verification code not received issue will be fixed on your Android device. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.